Welcome to the best product reviews. In today's episode, we will have a look at the best projector of 2021 for your home theater. For their prices, links are mentioned below in description and comment section. Look no further if you are looking for the best 4K projectors to upgrade your home theater in 2021. We have set up shop in the house to put the best projectors to the test. Whether you are looking for an ultra short throw beamer or more portable HD model, the most significant advantage of projectors is that they offer a genuinely high impact solution for those who don't want a giant 75-inch 4K TV to dominate their living room when it is not in use but still want the advantages of a large screen. The average image size is 100 inches, but some models will project up to 300 inches or as small as 40 inches if that is all you have on your wall. So at the number 5th spot we have the Anker Nebula Capsule 2 mini projector. Some projectors were meant to be portable and few do it better than the Anker Nebula. About the size and shape of a can of Coca-Cola, the tiny projector looks more like a battery pack for a piece of AV equipment than an all-out projector, but those looks are deceiving. The Capsule 2 is very capable of its size, offering a 720p HD resolution and strong audio output, and a noticeable improvement on 2018's Anker Nebula Mars 2. Given its size, we were pleasantly surprised to find a fully sized HMDI port 2 rather than the mini HDMI alternative, as well as a USB port and a USB-C charging port, allowing you to power the projector while connecting to a streaming stick like the Roku Express or Amazon Fire TV stick. There is also 3600 apps to make use of, all pre-built into the Android TV Smart platform. However, given some tricky certification issues around Netflix, you won't get the biggest TV streaming service on there unless you connect an external device to do it for you. At the 4th spot we have the BenQ TK850. The BenQ TK850 is a 4K projector for your living room with boosted audio, intense 3000 lumens brightness and a focus on sports broadcast to help it stand out from the piles of other projectors out there. With its exceptional HDR and addition of a motion smoothing and contrast heightening sports mode for those wanting to watch the football on a large projection, the TK850 make a strong argument as the best BenQ projector we have seen. Especially it remains the HD 3550's biggest flaws by drastically upping the brightness and adding a lens shift tool to elevate or lower the height of the projection. The BenQ TK850 can output 3000 lumens of brightness, making for vividly realized colors and immediately visible detail, even in daytime or with some level of ambient light in the room. For that, it get a thumbs up from us. There is some video noise in grey shadows or dark scenes, and the lack of streaming apps may disappoint some, but overall the TK850 is a fantastic projector for your home. At the number 3rd spot we have the Epson TW9400. The Epson TW9400 is an excellent home theater projector. We have this beamer 5 stars for its impressive color reproduction, HDR spot and 2600 lumens brightness, making for bright and impactful images. While this is not a native 4K projector, something you just don't get at this price, even upscaled images are detailed and come across well. With highly natural skin tones and an impressive amount of shadow detail, blacks could be deeper and motion could be smoother, but there is really little to complain about here. The EH-TW9400 boosts advanced capability all around. From its 3D compatibility to motorized lens control, the latter point allowing for real precision and an easy setup. There is even a lens cover to prevent dust from creeping in. At the 2nd spot in our list is the VAVA 4K projector. The VAVA 4K projector is something of a marvel with a sharp 4K picture and impactful HDR despite its 8-bit color limitations. As an ultra short throw laser projector, you are getting a massive picture up to 150 inches while only having to place it a few inches away from a wall or screen. The 2500 lumens brightness is more than enough to make its image look vibrant too, while a sleek design and soft fabric covering ensure the projector is aesthetically satisfying even when it is turned off. The smart platform is somewhat secondary here, with an old iteration of Android TV and a couple of big name apps, Netflix and Hulu, nowhere to be seen. But with Huawei's mix of bright 4K images, impactful color, and ultra short throw picture, all packaged in a gorgeously sleek design, it is a brilliant choice for a new home projector. At the top in our list is the Samsung The Premier. After more than a decade since its last home cinema projector, Samsung has exploded back on the scene with the Premier LSP90 projector. This ultra short throw beamer makes use of 4K HDR laser projection with a 3-color laser, removing the need for a color filter and therefore allowing the Premier's 2800 lumens brightness to really shine. Pictures are punchy and colorful, and Samsung world first introduction of the HDR 10 Plus format, which adds in scene by scene picture calibration in compatible films and TV shows. This projector also benefits from full implementation of Samsung Smart TV operating system, which, if a bit sluggish at times, is incredible to have on a projector over the basic and poorly organized interfaces we are used to. The built-in 40-watt speakers are above par too. With a max 130-inch picture, a host of high-end and world-first technologies, and a TV operating system that fixes one of our main complaints about the best projectors available today, Samsung's The Premier is a knockout choice for a new home cinema projector. So it is the end of this video. For the prices and details of these projectors, check out the links below in description and comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video.